Here's my 93 Chevy OBS that except for the hood, the paint is the second paint job done probably about 20 years ago. This is a frame off I don't know, sports truck build, resto mod, whatever you want to call it. Has a ride tech suspension front and rear. Everything in it's been rebuilt or replaced. The cab was stripped down to a bare cab. All Phillips 66 road deadening mat in there. Bumpers were powder coated. Kind of wanted to make it look kind of like, I don't know, a lowered stock, maybe something guy might do shortly after he got it. I mean, right down to the door latches was replaced. Window registers were replaced. The only thing that's original on this truck is the sheet metal, zero rust, zero rot. Sheet metal's original, and the glass is original. Other than that, in the frame, it's got the original transmission in it, but it's been rebuilt. The grill is, guess that was like the Super Sport grill. The hood is the cowl induction hood, as you can see. American Racing wheels. It's got sport mirrors on it. I'll do a video of the suspension, get it jacked up, crawl underneath of it. It's probably pretty dusty under there. As you can see, I live out in the dirt. So, transmission's 4L60E. Bed was Raptor line. The eBay Raptor stuff seems to work pretty good. I've painted quite a few things with that. Seems to hold up okay. Went for this blacked out look. Even the badges are new. Whole interior is new. I'll show that in a second. Same size wheels and tires all the way around. Here's the interior. It's all leather. Well, not all leather. The seats are leather. It's got paddle shifters in it. So you could paddle shift it or shift it off the column. It's got the original dash display in it. The whole dashboard was replaced. It was rotten when I got it. This dash bezel was replaced. The little, I don't know, tablet, that's so you can set up your fuel injection and your transmission. Runs your transmission controller and your fuel injection. It's got an NRG Innovation steering wheel. Whole steering column was rebuilt. All new bushings and bearings in it, and everything Loctite so it doesn't start wiggling. It's dusty out here where I live, so it gets dusty fast. You clean it one day and the next day it'll be dusty. It's got new carpet, the heavy duty carpet, not the cheap light stuff. It's got MB quartz in the door, speakers, 6.5s, titanium tweeters. Then for sound, it's using it's at the Santa Cruz radio, something like that. Bluetooth, USB, all that kind of stuff. And it's got a Rockford Fosgate 5-channel amp. There's the crossovers for the door speakers. It's got MB Quartz 3-inch in the back. And then it's got a JL Audio 12-inch sub. I'll show the motor and that's other stuff and let you hear it run in another video. And I'll show the undercarriage and the ride tech suspension, exhaust, and brakes and all that in another video. I got a pretty bad internet out here, as you can imagine, living in the forest, so I like to keep them around 5-6 minutes in order to get them to upload in a day. We'll see what happens. All right, thanks for watching.